Hey guys, and welcome to today's crochet video. In this video I would love to show you how to make the friendship ball from Pokemon. Now this one works up really quickly and comes out a perfect size. It'll be brilliant for any kids to go on display or even as a cosplay item. So just like before, all I'm going to do is ask you to nip over to my Pokeball video that I will link up here at the top and just recreate it but with green, and sew the button on and then come back here when you're ready. So now we've got the base of our friendship ball worked up, we're just going to work on the details. So all you're going to need for that is a ball of red yarn, a ball of yellow yarn, a yarn needle, a 4mm crochet hook, a bunch of pins, and a pair of scissors. So starting with the yellow button on the top, it's so easy. All we're going to do is create a nice and neat magic ring 8. Just snip that off and leave a long tail, as we'll use that to sew it onto the ball. Okay, so for the red details, this bit can be a bit tedious, but make sure you read it carefully and really take your time. So we're just going to take up some red yarn, start with an open magic ring, chain 1 as our first single crochet, and next what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet, half double, double, half double, single crochet, and then slip stitch to join them all together. So I'll go through it again, but nice and slowly. So the first stitch is a single crochet, then a half double crochet, then a double, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Now we're going to pull it tight, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch that we made, like so, and that just gives us a nice teardrop kind of shape, like slightly elongated. So what we're going to do now is snip off with a nice long tail for sewing. There we go. So I'll just ask you to pause this video, go back and make 3 more of these so you got 4 total, and then meet me back in a minute. So now we've got all of our pieces, all we need to do is pin them all in place. So start by pinning the yellow circle on the top, maybe just covering the magic ring, maybe just below it, play around with the placements, and then please make sure that you space these out evenly. And the pointy bit, which is where the double crochet is on the opposite end of the tail, is the bit that points inwards on the ball. And please make sure that you space them out as well, like really play around with the placements. You might have noticed that this one is actually a bit lopsided, as there's more of a space here than there is here, and that was my mistake. So I'm going to try and fix that for this one. Okay, I've got all my details pinned in place. I think I'm happy with the placements. You play around with yours, just make sure that you're happy with it. And then when you're ready, sew them on as neatly as possible. And there we go. Now this one, I did mess up a little bit, just about here, like the space isn't correct, but I'm not bothered because every one that I make is unique and independent. And that's something that I really love about crocheting, is no matter how many times you follow the pattern, strictly down to every stitch, it always ends up different. So I really hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this adorable little friendship ball, or friend ball, whatever you'd like to call it, from Pokemon. They do work out really great, like a really good size. I did use a brighter red on this one, and I really do think that that looks a lot better compared to the more dull version here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks and free crochet patterns twice a week, every week. And I really hope that you enjoy the content that I'm making. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.